straight in. Not even close? You said not even close?
You're not even close to like center.
This is gonna be fun. How the hell are you gonna put this in reverse?
Matt, stop stroking it.
No, I'm being for real. Like, how the hell are you gonna put this shit in reverse? I'm not even lying, like, it should be able to go in reverse. No, push. I'm telling you, push me.
You don't know how to reverse it?
I don't know. It has a short throw shifter. It has a short throw.
Okay, that's all I have one too.
Yeah, but this one's different. It doesn't have that lock. You can't get that lockout. Actually, I want to see you go in reverse.
Okay, 6 gears?
It's supposed to have a little
Okay,
fucking...
what? You can't get it?
It's supposed to be a little fucking thing to make it... Yeah.
Because that lockout. Yes.
There's something there, but it won't fucking unlock.
Try a hammer yet? Alright, go for it. Alright.
Good. Bueno. Fucking pushed it, bro.
Oh.
No, look up.